How do you say bus station?
Rodoviária.
How do you say gossip?
Fofoca.
How do you say vegetable garden?
Horta.
How do you say yard?
Quintal.
How do you say sheep?
Ovelha.
How do you say thorn?
Espinho.
How do you say earthquake?
Terremoto.
How do you say light green?
Verde claro.
How do you say fairy tales?
Conto de fadas.
How do you say once upon a time?
Era uma vez.
How do you say proud?
Orgulhoso.
How do you say skills?
Habilidades.
How do you say magician?
Mágico.
How do you say ear?
Orelha.
How do you say behind?
Atrás.
How do you say merciful?
Misericordioso.
How do you say western?
Faroeste.
How do you say spider web?
Teia de aranha.
How do you say hurry up?
Se apresse.
How do you say scheduling?
Agendando.
How do you say bell pepper?
Pimentão.
How do you say washing machine?
Máquina de lavar roupa.
How do you say paper towels?
Papel toalha.
How do you say vacuum?
Vácuo.
How do you say awkward?
Estranho.
How do you say January?
Janeiro.
How do you say pin?
Alfinete.
How do you say popcorn?
Pipoca.
How do you say armor?
Armadura.
How do you say hawk?
Gavião.